Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the top 5 sounding speakers for your home music studio. Whether you're a professional producer or just love high-quality sound, these picks are sure to impress. We're talking about that crisp, clear audio that brings your music to life, so let's crank up the volume and explore these sonic powerhouses. First up, we have the Yamaha HS8. If you've spent any time in a professional recording studio, you've probably seen these. They're known for their accuracy, and trust me, when you're mixing and mastering, accuracy is key. You need to hear every detail, and the HS8 delivers. We're talking about a powerful 8-inch cone woofer for those deep lows, and a 1-inch dome tweeter for those crisp highs. This combination gives you a balanced sound perfect for any genre. What sets the HS8 apart is its wide sweet spot. You can move around your studio and still get that accurate sound. Plus, they've got features like room control and high trim response controls to fine-tune the sound to your space. Overall, the Yamaha HS8 is reliable, accurate, and built to last. Next up, we have the KRK Rokit 5G4. These speakers pack a punch despite their compact size, making them perfect for smaller studios. The Rokit 5G4 features a 5-inch woofer and a 1-inch tweeter, delivering a balanced and detailed sound. The front-firing bass port reduces boundary coupling, so you can place them closer to walls without sacrificing clean bass. KRK has incorporated DSP-driven room tuning, allowing the speakers to analyze your room and adjust their sound for optimal listening. That's next-level stuff, especially at this price point. Incredible value for the price. Chapter 3. JBL 305 PMQ, best for critical listening. Let's talk about the JBL 305 PMQ. If you're all about immersive soundstage and incredible detail, this is the speaker for you. Imagine pinpointing every instrument and vocal harmony with accuracy. JBL's image control waveguide ensures sound waves are directed precisely to your ears, creating a wide and detailed sweet spot. You get consistent, accurate sound no matter where you're sitting. The low-frequency response is impressive, delivering deep, punchy bass without distortion. If you appreciate sonic clarity, these are worth checking out. Chapter 4. Atom Audio, a 7X, best high-end pick. Let's step into the realm of high-end audio with the Atom Audio A7X. These speakers offer sonic clarity and detail, and you'll hear the difference immediately. The XArt tweeter delivers an extended high-frequency response, making high-end details crystal clear. The 7-inch woofer provides a tight, controlled bass response. The overall clarity lets you hear things in your music you never noticed before. The A7X are an investment, but if you demand the best, they're worth every penny. And finally, Focal Alpha 65, best for power and dynamics. Last but not least, we have the Focal Alpha 65. These speakers are all about power and dynamics. The 6.5-inch woofer delivers a powerful low-end response, perfect for those who like to feel their music. The aluminum inverted dome tweeter provides crisp and accurate highs. Focal nailed the aesthetic, making these speakers look as good as they sound. The Focal Alpha 65 is a fantastic option for those who want a powerful and dynamic listening experience. Perfect for larger studios or anyone who wants to crank up the volume and get lost in the music. That's a wrap! The top 5 sounding speakers for your home music studio. From the accuracy of the Yamaha HS8S to the power of the Focal Alpha 65S, there's a speaker for every budget and need. Remember, choosing the right speakers can make all the difference in how you hear and create music. So go ahead, crank up the volume, and experience your music like never before. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and recommendations.